The Prime sale is ending soon, and this is your last chance to grab 30 amazing automotive tools deals with discounts up to 65% off. If you want the best Amazon Prime Day automotive tools deals, now's the time to act. Once the Prime sale ends, these prices disappear forever. Check the description for direct product links and don't miss out. Stick around. Some of the biggest steals are hidden deep in this list, so watch closely. Number 1. OBDIY Scan Tool, 29% off, now $85, list price $120. This OBDII scan tool is a must-have for any car owner or DIY mechanic. It allows you to quickly diagnose engine issues by reading error codes directly from your vehicle's computer. Whether your check engine light is on or you want to perform routine maintenance checks, this tool offers detailed diagnostics without a trip to the mechanic. With its easy-to-use interface and fast data reading, it supports a wide range of car makes and models. The discounted price of $85, down from $120, makes it an incredible deal for anyone looking to save on repairs and maintain their vehicle more efficiently. It's portable and perfect for home garages or professional use. Number 2. Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, 49% off, now $8, list price $15. Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. This digital tire pressure gauge makes it fast and simple to check your tire pressure anytime, anywhere. It features a clear digital display that's easy to read in any lighting condition. At nearly half off, now just $8 instead of $15, it's a budget-friendly tool that everyone should keep in their glove compartment. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your hand or car storage and gives accurate readings in seconds. A quick pressure check could save you from costly tire repairs or blowouts on the road. Number 3. Car Battery Tester, 36% off, now $35. List price $55. Never get stranded with a dead battery again by using this reliable car battery tester. It measures your battery's voltage, cold cranking amps, and overall health to let you know if it needs replacing or recharging. This helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns and extends your battery life. The tester's digital readout is clear and straightforward, designed for all skill levels. It's currently 36% off, just $35 instead of $55, which is a great price for peace of mind. Ideal for both professional mechanics and car owners who like to stay ahead of vehicle maintenance. Number 4. Drive Impact Socket Set, 33% off, now $38, list price $57. This Drive Impact Socket Set is essential for tackling stubborn bolts and nuts with your impact wrench or ratchet. Made from durable, heat-treated steel, these sockets resist cracking and wear, ensuring long-term performance under tough conditions. At 33% off, the set is priced at $38, down from $57, offering excellent value for quality automotive tools. Whether you're working on brake jobs, suspension repairs, or engine maintenance, this set covers a wide range of sizes to keep your toolbox ready for any challenge. Number 5. Torque Wrench Set, 28% off, now $62. Typical price $87. Precision is key in automotive repairs, and this torque wrench set delivers just that. It lets you tighten bolts and nuts to manufacturer-recommended torque specs, preventing damage from over-tightening or under-tightening. Perfect for wheel installations, engine work, or suspension setups, this set is a must-have. Now 28% off and priced at $62, down from $87, it provides accuracy and durability. The ergonomic handle and clear torque settings make it easy to use, even for beginners aiming for professional results. Number 6. Impact Wrench, 25% off, now $60, list price $80. Speed up your automotive repairs with this powerful impact wrench. It delivers high torque output to loosen or tighten lug nuts, bolts, and fasteners quickly and effortlessly, saving you time and effort on tire changes or engine work. Currently 25% off at $60, down from $80, this cordless tool offers portability and convenience without sacrificing performance. Its compact design fits into tight spaces under the hood or wheel wells, making it perfect for both professional shops and DIY garages. Number 7. Ratcheting Wrench Set, 20% off, now $50, list price $62. This ratcheting wrench set combines convenience and efficiency. The ratchet mechanism allows you to work in tight spaces without constantly repositioning the wrench, speeding up jobs like brake repairs, engine work, and general maintenance. With a 20% discount bringing the price to $50 from $62, this set is a budget-friendly addition to your tool collection. The wrenches are made from sturdy chrome vanadium steel for durability and corrosion resistance, so they're built to last. Number 8. Breaker bar, 5% off. Now $33. Typical price, $35. Sometimes you need extra leverage to loosen those stubborn, rusted bolts. That's where the breaker bar comes in. This tool provides the torque you need by extending your reach and applying force without damaging your ratchets or sockets. It's made from high-strength steel to withstand heavy use, and at just $30, it's a slight discount, but a worthwhile investment. Whether you're tackling lug nuts or engine mounts, this bar helps get the job done safely and efficiently. Number 9. Floor jack, 20% off. Now $62. Typical price, $80. A sturdy floor jack is essential for any garage, allowing you to lift your vehicle safely for tire changes, oil changes, and undercarriage inspections. This model features a durable steel frame and a high weight capacity for a wide range of vehicles. Currently 20% off at $62, down from $80. It's a dependable, affordable option. The smooth hydraulic operation and easy maneuverability make lifting your car safer and less strenuous. It's a foundational tool every car owner should have. Number 10. Steel jack stand, 24% off. Now $30. List price, $40. After lifting your vehicle, secure it safely with this steel jack stand. Its heavy-duty steel construction and adjustable height settings ensure your car stays firmly supported while you work underneath. Now 24% off at $30, reduced from $40, these stands provide peace of mind for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. The wide base prevents tipping, and the easy locking mechanism keeps it steady, making it a crucial safety tool for garage work. Number 11. Extended lug wrench, 15% off. Now $20. Typical price, $24. The extended lug wrench is a handy upgrade from your basic tire iron. Its longer handle provides extra leverage, making it easier to loosen tight lug nuts during tire changes or roadside repairs. If you've ever struggled with a stubborn nut, this tool makes the process faster and less strenuous. Currently 15% off at $20, down from $24. It's a small investment that can save you time and effort. The durable steel construction ensures it holds up under pressure, while its compact design fits easily in your trunk or toolbox for quick access. Number 12. Creeper, 10% off. Now $41. List price, $46. Working under your car can be uncomfortable without the right gear. This creeper lets you slide smoothly beneath your vehicle with minimal strain. It features a padded surface for comfort and low-profile wheels for easy mobility on garage floors. At 10% off, now $41 instead of $46, it's an essential tool for anyone doing regular maintenance or repairs. The sturdy frame supports your weight while keeping you close to the ground, giving you better access and reducing fatigue during long jobs. Number 13. Battery charger and maintainer, 24% off. Now $42. List price, $55. Keep your vehicle's battery in peak condition with this battery charger and maintainer. It not only charges dead batteries but also maintains them over long periods, preventing power loss during storage or infrequent use. This charger is perfect for seasonal vehicles, boats, or cars that sit unused for weeks. Now 24% off at $42, it offers smart charging technology that protects against overcharging and extends battery life. A reliable charger means you'll always start your car without hassle. Number 14. Multimeter, 30%. Now $32. List price, $46. Diagnosing electrical problems is easier with this versatile multimeter. It measures voltage, current, resistance, and more, helping you troubleshoot battery issues, alternator performance, and wiring faults. The bright display and intuitive controls make it user-friendly, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY beginner. At 30% off, priced at $32, it's a cost-effective tool that can save you trips to the shop by pinpointing electrical problems quickly and accurately. Number 15. Spark plug socket set, 15% off. Now $24. Typical price, $29. Replacing spark plugs is a routine part of vehicle maintenance, and this spark plug socket set simplifies the job. The sockets are designed to fit snugly over plugs and protect them from damage during removal and installation. Now 15% off at $24, down from $29. This set covers a range of common sizes. The durable chrome vanadium steel resists corrosion and wear, making it a reliable addition to your automotive toolkit for smooth engine performance. Number 16. Brake caliper toolkit, 15% off. Now $46. List price, $54. Working on your brakes is safer and easier with this brake caliper toolkit. It helps retract the caliper piston so you can replace brake pads without damaging components. The kit is compatible with many vehicle makes and models and is currently 15% off, available for $46. With this tool, DIY brake jobs become manageable, helping you save on labor costs while ensuring your brakes work efficiently. Number 17. Brake Bleeder Kit, 33% off. Now $47, list price $70. Flush and bleed your brake system professionally with this brake bleeder kit. It creates the necessary vacuum to remove air from brake lines, ensuring firm, responsive brakes. Now 33% off at $47. This kit is an essential tool for maintaining brake performance and safety. Easy to use and compatible with most vehicles, it's ideal for both professional mechanics and home enthusiasts who want reliable stopping power. Number 18. Strap Wrench, 30% off. Now $16. List price $23. Tighten or loosen round, polished, or sensitive surfaces without scratching them using this strap wrench. It's perfect for oil filters, hubcaps, or plumbing fixtures. Currently 30% off, it's available for $16. The non-marring strap grips tightly without damaging delicate finishes, making it a versatile and safe tool for a variety of automotive and household applications. Number 19. Tire Inflator, 33% off. Now $27. List price $40. Keep your tires perfectly inflated on the go with this compact tire inflator. It plugs into your car's 12V outlet and quickly restores optimal tire pressure, improving safety and fuel efficiency. At 33% off and just $27, this inflator is portable and easy to use. Whether you're heading on a road trip or just topping off before a commute, it's a reliable tool that can prevent flats and uneven tire wear. Number 20. Tire Repair Kit, 25% off. Now $21. List price $28. Flat tires don't have to ruin your day with this handy tire repair kit. It includes all the essentials to patch punctures quickly, getting you back on the road without a tow or tire replacement. Now 25% off at $21. It's compact enough to store in your trunk or glove box. Perfect for emergencies, this kit saves time and money while giving you peace of mind wherever you drive. Number 21. Compression Tester, 28% off. Now $18. List price $25. Diagnose your engine's health quickly with this compression tester. It measures the pressure within each cylinder, helping you identify issues like worn piston rings or valve leaks before they cause major problems. Now 28% off at just $18. This tester provides accurate readings and fits most gasoline engines. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about maintaining engine performance and avoiding costly repairs down the line. Number 22. Fuel Pressure Tester, 16% off. Now $28. List price $33. Ensure your fuel system is working perfectly with this fuel pressure tester. It helps you monitor fuel pressure to diagnose fuel pump or injector problems, preventing poor engine performance or stalling. At 16% off, it's priced at $28. Compatible with most vehicles, this tool lets you test and troubleshoot fuel delivery issues at home, saving time and trips to the mechanic. Number 23. Glow Plug Tester, 30% off. Now $15. Typical price $22. For diesel vehicle owners, this glow plug tester is a handy diagnostic tool. It checks if glow plugs are heating properly, which is critical for cold starts and engine efficiency. Now 30% off at $15. It's a simple yet effective way to test each plug individually, helping you catch issues early and keep your diesel engine running smoothly. Number 24. Jumper Cables, 9% off. Now $29. List price $32. Never get stranded with a dead battery thanks to these reliable jumper cables. They provide the power boost needed to start your vehicle from another battery quickly and safely. Currently 9% off at $29. These cables are made with heavy-duty clamps and thick insulation for durability. Compact and easy to store, they're a must-have emergency tool for every car owner. Number 25. Engine Timing Toolkit, 32% off. Now $30. List price $45. Maintain perfect engine timing with this engine timing toolkit. It helps lock camshafts and crankshafts during timing belt or chain replacement, preventing costly engine damage. Now 32% off at $30. This kit is compatible with many popular vehicles. It's an essential investment if you plan on doing major engine work or want professional level results at home. Number 26. Pulley Puller Set, 15% off. Now $93. Typical price $101. Remove pulleys and gears safely and easily with this pulley puller set. It's designed for tough automotive applications like alternator or power steering pulley removal. At 15% off, priced at $93, the heavy-duty construction and multiple jaw sizes make it versatile for various jobs. It protects components and saves you hours of manual labor. Number 27. Ball Joint Separator, 15% off. Now $76. Typical price, $90. This ball joint separator is a specialized tool that helps separate ball joints safely without damaging surrounding parts. It's crucial for suspension and steering repairs. Now 15% off at $76. It offers strong build quality and precise performance. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIYer, this tool makes complex jobs more manageable. Number 28. Work Light, 32% off. Now $47. List price, $70. Brighten your workspace with this versatile work light. It offers powerful LED illumination with adjustable angles and durable construction to withstand tough garage environments. Currently 32% off and just $47. It's perfect for night repairs, engine bay inspections, or undercarriage work. Portable and rechargeable, it keeps your hands free while lighting up every detail. Number 29. Transmission Jack, 14% off. Now $173. List price, $200. Safely lift and support your vehicle's transmission with this transmission jack. It features a hydraulic lift and adjustable platform to fit different transmission sizes. At 14% off, now $173, this jack is built for stability and ease of use. It's a must-have for anyone performing transmission repairs or replacements in their garage. Number 30. Fuel Line Disconnect Tool, 15% off. Now $34. Typical price, $40. Easily disconnect fuel lines with this specialized fuel line disconnect tool. It prevents damage to connectors and speeds up fuel system repairs or replacements. Now 15% off at $34. It's compatible with many vehicle makes and models. A simple yet essential tool for DIY fuel system maintenance and professional workshops alike. Thanks for watching. If you found these Prime Day automotive tool deals helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Don't miss out. Grab these discounts before they're gone and keep your garage fully equipped.